Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. On today's video I'm gonna show you the speed tutorial on CapCut, so you can apply this edit for your edits. And here I've already imported a clips, and first click on a clips and then go to speed, choose normal and set it into 0.5. Okay, click on a check icon and then move forward a bit. Okay, split the video and then go to speed again, click on the first clip, click on the first clip and go to speed again and choose normal and set it into 100 times like this. Click on the check icon and then move forward again. Okay, and split again, and here move forward a bit and click on split again. Okay, so on this clip, on the third clip, you need to change the speed again into 100. So you need to do this in alternating ways. So the first one is 100, 0.5, 100, and then 0.5 again, and now 0.5 again. Click on the split, and in here split, click on this and then adjust the speed again into 100. Okay, I'm going to click on this, oops, speed, and move forward again, choose split, so you need to do this in alternating ways, please remember that. Okay, so I've already adjust all clips like this. So the first one is 100 and then 0.5, so it's alternating, and then you need to go to the second clips, this one, and then go to speed again, normal, and here choose better quality. Click on the check icon, and you need to do this for all of the clips with the 0.5 speed. I'm going to apply smooth slow motion into all with 0.5. I'm going to get you when it's done. Okay, so I've already done the smooth, the better quality speed into all the slow-mo videos, and here is the final result. Okay guys, so that's all for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, thanks, click on the subscribe button, and I'll see you all in the next videos. Bye.